हेलो गाइस, इन दिस वीडियो हम बात करेंगे एक पॉलिटी का क्वेश्चन है जिसमें पूछा गया है विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द स्पीकर ऑफ लोक सभा इज नॉट करेक्ट। कौन सी सही नहीं है। ही शैल वैकेट हिज हाउस इफ ही ceases to be a member of the house of the people. He may at any time resign by writing his resignation to the President of India. He may be removed from the office by a resolution of the House of the People passed by majority of all the then members of the House. While the office of the Speaker is vacant, the duties of the office shall be performed by the Deputy Speaker. So these all the terms are correct in all the form. So the correct answer is he may at any time resign by writing his resignation to the President of India. इसके जगह पे आएगा डिप्टी स्पीकर। जो डिप्टी स्पीकर होते हैं उनको हक दिया जाता है, वो उनके रेजिग्नेशन को एक्सेप्ट करेंगे। So this is very little about this question. Thank you for watching this video.